Most of us probably have an old phone or tablet lying around that once ran out of battery or turned off, and now it just won't turn on or charge anymore. Or maybe your current phone suddenly turns off, and when you try to turn it on, nothing happens. Just a black screen. In this video, I'll show you two methods that work in about 95% of cases to get your phone working again. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the power button. Just press and hold the power button and volume up button together, and hold it for about 30 to 40 seconds. If your phone turns off by itself, most likely it happened because of a bug in the operating system, and this key combination can help turn it on again. Before you take your phone to a service center and spend a lot of money on repairs, try this method first. It costs you nothing. Method 2. Using a charging cable. Connect the charging cable to your phone, then disconnect the cable and immediately reconnect it. The battery will not charge at all, but if you wait 2 or 3 seconds after reconnecting the cable, the battery will start charging again. And this time it will charge a little longer, about 3 seconds. So the method is to connect the cable for 2 seconds, 2 seconds, and then disconnect it and wait 2 more seconds. Then reconnect the cable, but now for 3 seconds, and then disconnect it again. Wait 2 seconds, then connect the cable for 4 seconds, and so on. In most cases, after about 4 seconds of charging, your phone will turn on. These methods will help you turn on your phone 95% of the time. Of course, if the phone is broken, it may not turn on, but the methods are simple and effective, and most importantly, it's free of cost. So it's worth trying, isn't it? And that's all. These are the methods you need to use if your phone won't turn on or charge. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.